This is our 76 Pontiac Firebird. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a very slow-paced walk-around of the exterior. Following that, I will do a second walk-around where I'll show close-ups of all of the cosmetic blemishes. Then after that, there'll be some shots of the interior and a clip of the engine with it running. So we purchased the car from a gentleman in Indiana just recently. During his ownership in the last 5 to 7 years, there was a ton of work performed. You can tell just by looking at the car, it was painted recently. It's extremely clean. The interior was also gone through with new black leather scat sports seats and quite a bit of stuff. So you'll see that in the listing, but the mechanical tending to is really the selling point of this car. It's unbelievably nice underneath. He tells us that the car was a California car before he bought it, but it's bone dry underneath, and there's so many new parts that you can see. It actually has a new $700 automatic transmission, which is a huge selling point. The engine is it's a 350 crate motor with a bunch of Edelbrock parts, Edelbrock carb and intake. It's got Chevy performance cylinder heads. Only a few thousand miles on the crate motor, so pretty cool there. It's low mileage. It's supposed to be about 330 horsepower, but it's got new Bilstein shocks and struts at all four corners. Wilwood disc brakes. Yeah, it's been gone through. It's got a 373 rear end, new Moser axles, 17-inch American racing wheels, new tires, Kumho all seasons, limited slip diff as well, PosiTraction, lots and lots of new parts. The car is an awesome driver, truly a show-worthy car. I mean, the finish of the paint is excellent, minimal blemishes. The bird on the hood was hand-painted and cleared over. The front and rear bumpers are both new fiberglass. So here are close-ups of all the blemishes. So just a little tiny chip there in the black part of the grille. Minor things, but this is really a show car, so I'm going to be totally granular about it. Tough to see, but there's a little scratch there along the door crease. That's really the most glaring spot on the car, though it's minor. You can see there's no chipping around the spoiler. Panel fitment's excellent. Panels all open and close nice and smoothly. Trim pieces are all excellent. You can just see the quality of it here. You can see the little pinch welds going around the wheel well. Very, very nice. Super light ding there, just ahead of the driver's door handle. Tough to see, but worth noting. And then there is another very small blemish. Looks like a little tiny crack there. Front corner of the driver's side. Interior, just about all new. Door panels and seats are new. Dash pad, excellent. No cracks, no discoloring or warping, no waviness up there. Very, very good. No kicked open markings on the door panels. The carpeting is new. The wooden face of the cluster has no cracks. No significant signs of age at all. The car does have vintage air conditioning. R134A blows cold. Has an aftermarket Kenwood speaker system. Sounds awesome. Very, very good sound system. Gauges are all functional. The odometer reads 95 and change. That's obviously chassis mileage, but the odometer does tick. You can see here the condition of the seats. No tears or scratches, no blemishes whatsoever. Center console, really nice as well. Rear seat doesn't really appear to have ever been sat in. Super nice. That rear panel, nice and clean. Headliner, tight, free of any blemishes.